Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing camping gadget that has taken my outdoor adventures to the next level. Say hello to Outin Espresso Portable Machine.
As we unbox, we are introduced with brand stickers, user manual, and recipe leaflet. The box itself contains the espresso machine, a cup, a pod, a scooper, and charging cable. An extra pod for ground coffee.
So let's brew a cup of good coffee. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna fill this scoop or scooper, whatever you like to say, with my freshly grounded coffee that I just crushed from my beans, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. So they always provide two kinds of pods. This one is for ground coffee, and the other pod is for coffee pods. Now what we got to do is we got to press it. You can use the scooper and you can just press it. So if you can see, it has beautifully stacked. Always make sure that you don't have to fill it to the brim. Keep a bit of gap so that when the water comes in and brews it, it should have that much of space to brew it. Otherwise, it won't be good. And you close this very tight. You put this back here. Make sure it's completely tight, like so. And then what we gotta do is, if you can see, they have given this marking. So we'll fill it up to 70 ml right now. And then we gotta close this lid. And now let's just press it for 2 seconds. One. So it has started to brew. So what we gotta do is we gotta wait until all of the lights are flashing, and after the fourth one it will brew.
As we wait for a coffee to brew, I would like to share my experience as I have used this machine in all my treks and camping. It is compact, sleek, and easy to carry anywhere you go. The best part is that you get consistent rich crema brew every single time. It's your own coffee shop. A good cup of coffee can elevate the whole day. With Outin, I can enjoy premium coffee anywhere, anytime, even when I'm scheduled for running.
So as you all saw what this portable espresso machine can do, I would like you guys to know some key features of the product. It gives 100 shots on boiling water and 5 shots on cold water. It has 20 bar high pressure which produces rich crema every single time. It weighs only 670 grams, which makes it easy to carry on all your outdoor adventures. It is compatible with pods and ground coffee. It is IPX4 rated, which means it is waterproof. And lastly, as I enjoy my fresh brew, I would like you guys to go and give it a try. Buy it from our link and get 10% off. Use the promo code YODO10 and have fun with your new gadget. Cheers.